And there are drums beyond the mountain, Indian drum that you can't hear. There are drums beyond the mountain, and they're getting mighty near.
Welcome to episode 9 of the Methow Valley Interpretive Center's Notes from the Center. It's the time of winter. It's Istkam in Insulchin language. So Istkam is the time of winter and also this month, December, although we're quite near the end of this month. We are solidly in winter. We're just past the winter solstice, which is Tetkasket. And this time of year is a time to kind of take a pause, to take a deep breath, to go inside, literally inside our homes, but also figuratively inside, to think about the past year, plant the seeds for the time ahead. We'll let the darkness kind of nourish those seeds, what dreams we have for 2021. I know many of us are going to be pretty happy, and we're going to celebrate the passing of this past year, 2020. But we certainly all have something that we've learned, something that this past year is trying to teach us. And we can look ahead with those reflections, those lessons in our mind. And so for me, it's a time to be thankful for everything that I've had, and thankful for this time of quiet, of beauty, to think of the times ahead. And what I want to end with is a lesson from an elder, Arnold Cleveland, in a song and a teaching that he's going to sing for you in a moment. So please enjoy that, and I wish you all much happiness, joy, peace, and love in the year ahead.
A young Indian asked his grandfather why life had to be so difficult sometimes. This was the old man's reply. Grandfather says this: in life there is sadness as well as joy, losing as well as winning, falling as well as standing, hunger as well as plenty, bad as well as good. Grandfather does not say this to make you despair, but to teach you reality. To teach you that life is a journey, sometimes walked in light, sometimes in shadow. Grandfather says this: you did not ask to be born, but you are here. You have weaknesses as well as strengths. You have both, because in life there are two of everything. Within you, there is the will to win, as well as the willingness to lose. The heart to feel compassion, as well as the smallness to be arrogant. Within you is the way to face life, as well as the fear to run away from it. Grandfather says this: life can give you strength. It can come from facing storms of life, from knowing loss, feeling sadness and heartache, from facing the depths of grief. You must stand up in the storm. You must face the wind and the cold and the darkness. For when the storm blows hard, you must stand firm. For it is not trying to knock you down. It is really trying to teach you to be strong. Grandfather says this: being strong means taking one more step toward the top of the hill, no matter how weary you may be. It means letting the tears flow through the grief. It means to keep looking for the answer through the darkness of despair is all around us. It means to cling to hope for one more heartbeat, for one more sunrise. Each step, no matter how difficult, is one step closer to the top of the hill. To keep hope alive, one more heartbeat at a time leads to the light of the next sunrise and the promise of a new day. Grandfather says this: the weakest step toward the top of the hill, toward sunrise, toward hope, is stronger than the fiercest storm. Grandfather says this: keep going.